Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I am so excited to share with you a new to our channel subscription box, the Mindful Souls. So before we get to the unboxing, I'm going to cut to me showing you their website and everything about this particular box. All right, so we're going to take a look at Mindful Souls website real fast just to show you exactly what you will expect if you want to purchase. So each month's box is $39.97 and I feel like that's a pretty good deal considering what you get inside. And this box is all about self-love, self-care, and I especially love this question right here. When was the last time you dedicated deep love and affection only to yourself? I mean, for me, it's been quite the minute. So it is all about, curating 6 to 8 carefully handpicked items, ranging from calming crystals, aromatherapy items, gemstone jewelry, to home decor, wellness goodies, and natural cosmetics, a rejuvenating and refreshing gift designed to balance your mind and brighten your aura. And speaking of gift, you can gift it for the people that you think on your gift list this season that would need some TLC for themselves, right? So we have what's usually inside the box, which is exciting to see. All things that, like, I know me personally, I would say, oh, I don't need it. I don't need to purchase that for myself right now. But you know what? Treat yourself. Self-care. So how it works, you subscribe. You can cancel your subscription anytime for any reason, which we love it. We curate. Each box will contain the 6 to 8 handpicked items, all meant to focus on yourself. The first box will be shipped immediately and will be delivered within the next 2 to 6 days, which is awesome. And then the following boxes will be sent on the 7th of each month, and shipping is always free. I mean, again, you're just adding on the benefits here. And then you receive time to fully embrace life, forget about the rest of the world, concentrate on you. And we love to see it, all of the testimonials. This has actually been a box that I've been wanting to look into for quite the hot minute here. And so I'm so excited to finally get to share this with you today. And then, once you're on this site, you can go through and see all of the other things that are here and what they have to offer. It's so exciting. So for right now, before I even open the box with you all, I think that this is a fantastic price for what you get, and free shipping. Heck yes. So let's go to the unboxing and take a look at the goodies. Yay. Okay, I'm excited. You're probably excited. I love surprises, so let's get into it. I cannot wait to see what is in here. All right, Mindful Souls. Look for a way to lift someone up, and if that's all you do, that's enough. Elizabeth Lesser. Love that. Oh, all right, so look at here. These are the items and about the items that are in the box. I love this because then it's like a clear-cut way of how to connect with that item, what you can use it for. And before we go any deeper into this box, let me just tell you that I have been smelling this incense and it has been smelling heavenly. I could not wait to make this video because it just smells so good. So I'm really excited that that's what I was smelling. Let's get into it. What is this guy here? Affirmation for acceptance. We can all use it. I love and accept myself the way I am, and I love and accept others the same way. Love that. This would be great to put on your desk, on your mirror, on your vanity, wherever you get ready, when you see yourself in the morning, and before you go to bed at night when you're brushing your teeth. I think that's fantastic. Always have little reminders like that just to keep you engaged subconsciously as well. Here's a little sticker, grow from the inside. I love that. That's going to go on my water bottle. Okay, let's start with this little guy here. And we have the cotton little bags here. Oh, this is the bracelet. Oh, so as we go along here. I'll put this up here so we can see. So gold obsidian bracelet. Obsidian's energy creates a protective shield that deflects negativity and repels attempts of others to assert power over us. Obsidian stones help us to uncover our unique skills and hidden talents whilst releasing blockages to our spiritual and personal growth. Having one special golden bead on this bracelet will help you achieve financial success and strengthen wealth's energy. I love this. Yay! Please note it's important to cleanse and energize your crystals as soon as you obtain them. That's a fantastic note to give. All right, first we're off to a great start. Let's take a look at this pouch here. I think this is going to be the agate. Oh, you guys, it is nice. It's not even thin. By the look of it, you would think it would be like a really thin sliver. Wow. That's really pretty. And you know, you can use it as a coaster, but you can also put your jewelry on it. Help charge that up a little bit. So purple agate sliced coaster. It is believed that agate alters the state of mind and fosters feelings of acceptance, balance, harmony, peace, and appreciation. Agate generates and provides one with great wealth, luck, abundance, courage, love, protection, and security. Use this agate coaster while having a coffee break, friendly gathering, or just simply want to decorate the home. That is so cool. Oh, wow. I love it. Okay. Yay, it's an essential roller. Oh my goodness, love. Obsidian is a truth-enhancing volcanic glass, a strongly protective stone. It forms a shield against negativity, blocks psychic attack, and absorbs negative energies from the environment. It stimulates growth on all levels, urging exploration of the unknown and opening new horizons. Simply open the top cap of the roller, fill it with your favorite essential oil, and let Obsidian infuse it with more goodness. So you just have to put your own little essential oil in here, but that's fantastic to have all of that stone in there. So if there's a scent that you love to wear or smell all day long, like for instance, my husband loves peppermint essential oil, and that will help with like nausea and that sort of a thing. You can put that in here. Lavender essential oil to help you maybe fall asleep or get relaxed, calm. The ideas are endless. I love this. That's exciting. All right. And then we have the Selenite Wand. Oh, it's always nice to have one of these. So it says a Selenite Wand is a powerful cleansing and healing tool that has the ability to clear, protect, and shield your energy body. It is one of the few materials that has the healing ability to quickly unblock stagnant and negative energy, removing all energy blockages to create a fluid flow of energy throughout the body. Selenite Crystals shields you from outside influences, since one of the selenite healing properties is to evoke protection from the angelic realm. Place one on each of your windowsills to protect your space and raise its vibration. Selenite crystals also greatly magnify the energy of anything that is placed upon them. Place your tumbled stones on top of them to clear their energy. I love a nice selenite cleansing wand, especially one this size. If you do any healing work, any Reiki, they're great for that. It's great to cut cords with something this length and size. It's a great one to wave around the body, cut those negative cords. It's fantastic. And it's a great perfect size to not only utilize with that, but to put on a desk or a workspace, again, your vanity, wherever I should say you need to put that crystal. All right. Yay, this is beautifully done. Oh no, don't break. Just me being clumsy? Yeah, that's about right. Okay, and another little package here. I think this is the necklace. Yes. Ooh. Look at that. Okay, so it's wired, so it might bend a little bit, but look at how pretty all of those stones are. Balance in our hearts and souls leads to balance in all aspects of our lives. Gleaming stones of amethyst, lapis lazuli, blue lace agate, Rose quartz, citrine, carnelian, and red jasper are aligned in a vertical pendant to mirror our 7 chakras, or sacred energy centers, for a necklace to inspire harmony in mind, body, and spirit. Balance in our hearts and souls leads to the steadiness in all aspects of our lives. I love things like this, jewelry like this, because again, you can have it for all of the balance and what it was talking about in the paragraph, but it's also beautiful. So instead of carrying around like the 10 crystals that are big and tumbled in my pocket all day long, I can carry around this on my necklace and have it be aesthetically pleasing and have the benefits of it. And what I also love, it comes with a necklace chain. Not all of the pendants you will receive will have a necklace chain, so that is awesome too. It is so pretty. Like, it's delicate looking. Like, this is something I would wear. So normally I'm very picky about my jewelry, but this is something that I would wear for sure. It is beautiful. I love that everything is shiny, glossy. Yay. Oh, that's exciting. So far, I am really happy with all of the items. And I think our last item here, we have the Yog Chakra Incense, purifying space and balancing energy around you. All right, it smells so good. Okay, I cannot tell you how much I'm in love with this scent. It's so calming and not overpowering at all. Oh my God, it smells delicious. I really, really, really enjoy this. All right, this says the long-lasting aromas will promote inner peace throughout meditation, yoga, or a calm evening reading your favorite book. These incense sticks are made organically in India using the most refined essential oils and natural herbs, which combine as a beautiful fragrance. Its main focus is revitalizing and unblocking all of your chakras for increased vitality and calmness. So I am really, really happy with the theme, with the items. I just want to make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay. I am really happy because all of these things are something that I would love to purchase for myself, but yet I would feel guilty for doing so. Like I would tell myself, oh, I don't need it. I don't need to purchase this right now. But in all honesty, these are wonderfully curated items for me personally. Like, I love them. And I can tell you right now, this bracelet is probably going to be stolen from me for my husband's going to take it away from me. It's totally up his alley, which is fine. I'll allow it. And he might be stealing my incense too. But this is beautifully done. I think for $39.95 or $97 is a wonderfully priced for the box. I think it's great. If you haven't tried them out already, I highly suggest you do so. Of course, as always, the links will be down in the description box below. And let me know what you think. If this is something that you would purchase yourself, if this is something that you would gift yourself. I really, really like the idea of using this for self-care, for some self-love, because we can all use it. I think this is an excuse for you to use these items for meditation, for yoga, for you to take a nice long bath with the incense and have the selenite stick there next to you, and you can put your wine on your coaster. I mean, that's what I'm going to be doing, but don't tell anybody. So I would love to know your thoughts. I'm really happy with it. I'm happy with the price point, and I'm so glad that Mindful Souls reached out. So thank you so much, Mindful Souls, for sending this box our way and for allowing us to share your product with us. It's fantastic. I'm happy with it. Thank you again. So for those of you who haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And don't forget to check out all of my links in my link tree in the description box as well. If you haven't done so already, all of my socials will be there too. So thank you so much again. Without you guys, I wouldn't have opportunities like this. So I really appreciate each and every one of you. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.